Hi guys, today's video is about gaming strategies. But before we get started, notice these notes that appear. Well, these will help us solve our question for today. So our question says, a popular road trip game goes as follows. Player count upwards from 1 to 30. And when it's your turn, you can progress the counting by 1, 2, or 3. Whoever says 30 loses the game. Who has the winning strategy in this game? And what is the strategy? So these are the positions that we have for the game. We have a 0 position because there's a point in the game where nobody says anything. And 30, we know that that is actually a losing position because whoever says it loses the game. So now let's move on to 29. Well, if you say 29, there is a move that leads to a losing position. And it says up here that if there is a move that leads to a losing position, the game is actually at a winning position. How about 28? There is a move that leads to a winning position. And it says up here that if there is a move that leads to winning, the game is at a losing position. 27, still a move that leads to a winning, so that is still at a losing. 26, still a move that leads to a winning, so that is still at a losing. 25th, but it looks like all the move leads to a losing position, so 25th is actually at a winning position. 24, a move leads to a winning position, the game is at a losing position. 23, still a move that leads to a winning, so you're still at losing. 22nd, still a move that leads to winning, so that is still at a losing. 21st, looks like all the moves leads to a losing position, so you're back at winning position. 20th, looks like there's a move that leads to a winning, so you're at a losing position. 19, still a move that leads to winning, so you're still at losing. 18, there's still a move that leads to winning, still to losing. 17, all move leads to a losing position, so you're back at a winning position. 16th, there's a move that leads to a winning position, so you're now at losing again. So you guys can see there's a pattern that's going up here. So we're just gonna follow what our pattern is. So, this is actually at a losing position. Same with this one. This one. Now we're back at a winning, losing, 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 back to winning, losing, losing, back to winning, and losing. So now let's answer the second part of the question. Who has the winning strategy? Well, it says here that if the initial position of a game is at a losing position, then that means player 1 actually has the winning strategy. And that's it for our question for today.